I also rise with a deep sense of responsibility, a responsibility to speak for Assam and the Northeast and for the millions of voices which were ignored for decades and are finally being heard today. माननीय सभापति महोदय, हजारों वर्षों से असम भारत का एक अभिन्न अंग है। यहाँ हजारों वर्षों का सनातन परंपरा रही है। यहाँ भाषा, संस्कृति, इतिहास, कला, अध्यात्म सभी में हम गौरवशाली अहोमिया, गौरवशाली भारतीय हैं। But it pains me to say that during the time of partition, the top Congress leadership, they almost handed over Assam to the Group C, that is to Pakistan. जो बात मैं अभी सदन के समक्ष रखना चाहता हूं, ये मुझे भी पता नहीं था। I recently read the Mountbatten's interview records dated 11th of April 1947, and I was shocked and astonished to read that the conversation between Mountbatten and Jawaharlal Nehru. In that conversation, Mountbatten warned Nehru that Jinnah might demand the partition of Assam, and Nehruji responded, and it was a perfectly reasonable request and could be agreed to.
Shame.
So I repeat, Mountbatten warned Jinnah that he might demand the separation, the partition of Assam, and Nehru said that it's perfectly reasonable request and could easily agree. And sir, it is available and it is documented by you yourself. This is documented by my honorable dear friend. This is documented by selected works of Jawaharlal Nehru, Series 2, Volume 2, page number 87, which is sponsored by Congress. This is not an invention by me. Honorable sir, this is available in public domain. This is a publication sponsored by Congress itself. Muslim League wanted, Jinnah wanted, even Jawaharlal Nehru agreed to. But लेकिन महाभारती के आशीर्वाद है, ये संभव नहीं हुआ क्योंकि असम के सुपुत्र लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बोरदोलोई और असमवासी ने इसका विरोध किया। उस संकट काल में असमवासियों का साथ खड़ा रहे महात्मा गांधी, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस के भाई, स्वतंत्रता सेनानी शरद चंद्र बोस और डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी। So Assam did not become a part of Pakistan. Freedom fighter Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi became the first chief minister of Assam, and he dedicated his entire life for freedom fight and for the development of the state of Assam and the Northeast as a whole. For 5 decades, people of Assam demanded that rightful honor should be given to the great son of the state of Assam, that is Gopinath Bordoloi. But his own Congress governments at the center did not fulfill the demand of people of Assam. It was only under Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1999, Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi was conferred with the reward of Bharat Ratna. खुद का कांग्रेस सरकार ने सम्मान नहीं किया, अपना एनडीए सरकार ने लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बोरदोलोई जी को भारत रत्न सम्मान से सम्मानित किया। He was the first chief minister, Congress chief minister of Assam. Not only he, even the first president of Assam Pradesh Congress, महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी छबीलाल उपाध्याय, कांग्रेस का ही फर्स्ट, he was the president. गोरखा समाज, असम का समाज बार बार रिक्वेस्ट करता रहा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, कांग्रेस सरकार को कि छबीलाल उपाध्याय जी को सम्मान किया जाए, लेकिन द वॉइस ऑफ असम, वॉइस ऑफ गोरखा पीपल वर टोटली इग्नोर्ड। नरेंद्र मोदी जी सरकार ने छबीलाल उपाध्याय जी को सम्मान दिया। हाल ही में पिछले सप्ताह दिसपुर में गुवाहाटी, असम का राजधानी गुवाहाटी में छबीलाल उपाध्याय का एक पूर्ण प्रतिमा स्थापन किया भाजपा सरकार ने। बट he was the first president of Congress. So आज हम सब जानते हैं कि असम चाय के 200 वर्ष पूर्ण हो चुके हैं। असम का संस्कृति, समाज, अर्थनीति में असम के चाय श्रमिकों का क्या योगदान है, हम सभी को यह अवगत है। अंग्रेज आए चले गए, कांग्रेस की सरकार आई, लेकिन हमारे 40 श्रमिकों का शोषण होता रहा। आपको विश्वास नहीं होगा माननीय उपसभापति जी, लगातार 200 साल एक ही जमीन पर रहने का बाद भी, 200 साल एक ही जमीन पर रहने का बाद भी 40 श्रमिकों को, उनको, उसके परिवार को उसी भूमि का अधिकार नहीं मिला था। असम का लोग ठीक ही बोलते हैं कि 40 श्रमिकों का दर्द स्वाभिमान को समझने वाला एक ही है, वो है चाय वाला। और नरेंद्र मोदी जी का प्रेरणा से आज 200 साल बाद 3,33,000 40 श्रमिकों को भूमि का अधिकार मिला है। So, Chairman sir, when we talk about Assam's rich art and culture, one name inevitably comes to our mind, that is Sudhakar Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. For decades, people of Assam demanded that he be honored with Bharat Ratna. But finally, although Congress didn't listen to it, so finally, Bharat Ratna was conferred upon Dr. Bhupen Hazarika by Modi Sarkar. When the entire nation, including Assam, was celebrating the honor bestowed upon Bhupen Hazarika, the House would be shocked to know that the current president of Congress, Honorable LOP Mallikarjun Kharge ji, he said when the entire nation, including Assam, was celebrating the honor of Bharat Ratna conferred upon Bhupen Hazarika, at that time, Kharge ji said, "ये किसको दे दिया? गायक को भारत रत्न दे दिया?" It was not an insult only to Bhupen Hazarika or Assam. It's an insult to the entire northeastern region. मैं कांग्रेस को बोलना चाहता हूं, ये किसको दे दिया? भारत रत्न एक सिंगर को दे दिया। Bhupen Hazarika was not just a singer. He was a professor of university, a poet, a thinker, a social reformer, a journalist, a music director, a singer, a film producer, director, and he received a Sangeet Natak Academy Award. He was a Sangeet Natak Fellow. He won 4 national awards in cinema, including the Best Music Director in 71. He got Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Dada Saheb Phalke Award. और कांग्रेस बोलता है एक गायक को दे दिया, कौन है ये? So it's a real insult to the people of Assam and the Northeast. Chairperson sir, Honorable President mentioned that more than 7,200 kilometers of national highway and more than 50,000 kilometers of rural roads are constructed during the government of NDA. Just recently, listen to me, sir. Recently, Modi ji laid. Then Modi ji laid the foundation stone of the 74-kilometer Kaziranga elevated corridor project, and it's to be built at a cost of rupees 7,000 crore. Ye elevated corridor Kaziranga National Park se it will run up above the Kaziranga National Park. So it will ease the connectivity as well as mainly it will protect the wildlife of Kaziranga. So not only the people of Assam, wildlife lovers across the globe appreciated this initiative of Pradhan Mantri Modi ji. Lekin, you'll be surprised and shocked, even my friends from the opposition will be shocked to know their president of Assam Pradesh Congress, ये क्या बोला मालूम है आपको? ये कॉरिडोर नहीं बनाना चाहिए था, इससे धूल मिट्टी उड़ेगी। ये कितना हास्यास्पद बात है? The corridor should not be constructed, इससे धूल मिट्टी उड़ेगी। मैं कांग्रेस से ये कहना चाहता हूं, धूल मिट्टी उड़े या ना उड़े, कांग्रेस चाहे या ना चाहे, this kind of development projects under the leadership of Modi ji will be continuing in the state of Assam and in our country. Chairman sir, yes. Chairman sir, I express my gratitude to the Honorable President for sharing Assam's semiconductor growth story. I wish to inform the House that rupees 27,000 crore semiconductor plant is under construction in Assam. और जल्द ही अमेरिका हो या इंग्लैंड, कंप्यूटर हो या कार, हर चिप में लिखा होगा मेड इन असम, मेड इन इंडिया. But the House will be surprised to know the Congress party. I don't know whether I should name Priyank Kharge, I don't know. But the House will be surprised to know the Congress party responded to this historic development. आदरणीय खड़गे जी नहीं है, उनका परिवार से ही, कांग्रेस पार्टी से ही आया था. That how your party opposed it and insulted. क्या बोला था? ये सेमीकंडक्टर प्रोजेक्ट असम और गुजरात में क्यों चला गया? असम में तो कोई टैलेंट ही नहीं. It's an insult to the people of Assam by Congress. It's an insult to the people of Gujarat. Yes, semiconductor. It's an official statement by the Congress leader from Karnataka, Mr. Kharge, son of our LP. He officially said, "ये क्यों दे दिया है semiconductor गुजरात और असम में? असम में तो कोई talent है ही नहीं. Our being a political tourist, you are going to visit Assam to seek votes. शर्म नहीं है. लेकिन this is an insult to Assam's youth and their hard work. And we are grateful to Adरणीय प्रधानमंत्री Narendra Modi ji for his trust upon the people, upon the Yuva Shakti of my state of Assam. और आइए, I welcome dear friends of Congress to Assam. ऐसे भी तो असम का सुनिए, असम का the tourism of Assam, tourism of Assam has increased by many folds, 2-3 folds because of this thing. Peace and harmony, law and order situation. I invite my Congress friends. Generally they visit Assam as political tourists. So आप आ जाइए, असम देखिए how people of Assam are flourishing, how the development works are going on, and what.
Please go.
So, not like everything. Each and I can authenticate. This is the book compiled by Congress. This is the book compiled by not by Bhajpa or NDA. This is compiled, published by you people. You just Google how Priyank. Yes, sir. I'm concluding. Just I request my friends from the opposition, just Google with 2 keywords, Kharge and insult to Assam. You will find how they insulted the people of Assam. Assam में semiconductor क्यों दे दिया? Assam में talent नहीं है. और ये लोग ही वोट मांगने के लिए being political tourists, they are coming to Assam for the next 2 months. Thank you. Joy Aham Bande Mataram.
Thank you. Mani Jairam Ramesh, please. Mani Jairam Ramesh.